Hello everyone, welcome. We talked in the animal tissue, we have already talked about epithelium tissue, and now we will be talking about the connective tissue in this particular video. So, in connective tissue, what is connective tissue? Connective tissue, these are the tissues which is helping in the connections. Okay, the connectivity rather. Okay, so cells of connective tissue, they are very loosely spaced, and there is a matrix or there is a jelly like fluid which is there, and whether it's dense or rigid, the nature of the matrix, it differs. So one of the connective tissue is we have is blood is one of the connective tissue. So here the matrix which is known as plasma, in which the RBCs, WBCs, platelets all are suspended. If you see the connective tissue, the diagram A, okay, the diagram A, if you see, so we have this connective tissue in which we have all the kinds of cells, basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils, lymphocyte, monocyte, platelets. These are different types of blood cells, okay, which is there. And so the blood is one of the connective tissue is there, and then bone is another connective tissue. So we have another connective tissue is bone, and the bone, it is nothing but it's a framework of the body which supports the body. It also anchors the muscles, so it should be strong and non-flexible tissue. Okay, bone cells, they are embedded in hard matrix that is made up of calcium and phosphorus. So there is a bone, there is an area which is very thick, and then within that all the cells are there, and two bones can be connected to each other by a connective tissue which is called as a ligament, bone to bone, which is elastic, it should have a good strength, and ligament contain very little matrix and it connects the bones with the bones. Tendons will connect the bones with the muscles. Okay, so another type of connective tissue, if you okay, before that, if I have the bones over here, you can see the structure of the bones that we have here. B is a bone that you see. So we have a Haversian canal which contains the blood vessels and the nerve fibers. Okay, and then we have a canaliculus which contains the slender process of bone cells or osteocyte. Okay, another type of connective tissue is cartilage. Okay, cartilage, what is it? It is a solid matrix which is composed of proteins and sugars. Cartilage, it will smoothen the bone surface at the joints, and it is also present in somewhere in the nose, ears, spine of the ears, trachea, larynx, and all those things. So we can fold the cartilage of the ears, but we cannot bend the bones of our arms. That is, wherever the cartilage is present, I should be able for a flexible movement, because arms there is no cartilage tissue. The last one, we have the areolar connective tissue. The last but one is the areolar connective tissue, which is found in the skin and the muscles. So around the blood vessels, if you see here, the blood vessels, the nerves, the bone marrow which is there, the fibroblast, the reticular fibers, macrophages, collagen fibers, mast cell, plasma cell, everything is there over there. It fills the space inside the organ and supports internal organs and helps the repair of tissues. And the last one is adipocytes, which is the adipose tissue that we have below our skin and internal organs. This basically helps in the storage of fats and acts as an insulator. So that is the adipocyte or adipose tissue. So what are the different kinds of connective tissue we have? We have bones, we have got blood, then we have got cartilage, areolar tissue, as well as adipose tissue. Okay, thank you.